88-year-old Olga Robertson has been living in this home for decades. She loves it and doesn't feel the need to move out.
Oh, here it is. GLASS.
For 3 hours every day, she has a professional companion.
You got it.
But she cooks and she does a good job. And she takes me to appointments and things like that.
Okay.
But when her caregiver is not around, Robertson still has company.
What would you like me to do?
How about a game?
Rudy, the intelligent home care companion.
You can have a conversation with them, see? It's somebody to talk to and who responds.
Good afternoon.
In addition to keeping her mentally and physically engaged, Rudy also provides access to emergency services around the clock, keeps track of misplaced items, and reminds Robertson about appointments and when it's time for her medicine.
I'll call back to check in before you go to bed.
I got to be kind of famous in the neighborhood because of this robot.
Okay, Rudy.
Rudy was created by INF Robotics, a startup founded by Anthony Nunez.
Go sleep.
Good night.
The robotic caregiver was inspired by a need he saw as he and his mother cared for his aging grandmother.
As I grew older, I realized we weren't the only family facing this problem. There are thousands of families facing the same issue, most cases even worse, where they have a loved one that they're taking care of, and the cost becomes an issue.
The time is 9:39 a.m.
And so what we wanted to do was design a robot that's easy to use, designed specifically for seniors, but also affordable.
Remember to take your morning medication, Anthony.
We always had seniors involved, and every time we had some type of communication, we'd introduce it. Seniors would give us their feedback, oh, we don't like this, we don't like that. We'd come in and change it.
Cliff Blyer met Nunez and his team at an event more than a year ago and became interested in introducing Rudy to the clients of his in-home care company.
We're dealing with older adults that are typically 80, 90, 100 years old. So this kind of technology is very new to them.
Let's go.
He's around to help out, where the caregivers typically will come in and may help with some bathing or dressing, things that at this point Rudy can't do. But beyond that, Rudy simply fills the growing gap.
Would you like to dance with me?
Yes.
Rudy is not competition for human caregivers. He supplements what they do for the growing population of seniors who prefer to stay in their homes.
He does a pretty good jitterbug, I think.